First, I wanted to say that you guys made me the happiest person in the world. Creating content on YouTube has been one of my favorite things by far. When I uploaded this first video, I couldn't even imagine that it will become a massive community that gives me so many opportunities. It gives me so much joy to read your positive comments and realize that a lot of you decided to make cocktails for the first time, someone became a bartender, somebody spent an entire paycheck on alcohol and don't know how to explain it to his wife. When I started uploading, I obviously never thought it will be a successful YouTube channel. Back then I was doing training for beginners bartenders and all I wanted to reach more people using this platform. Instead of teaching 20 to 30 people at a time, I wanted to reach hundreds and possibly thousands, but had no idea I can reach hundreds of thousands and even millions of people. Okay, so thanks to everyone who subscribed to my main channel and helped me to build this enormous community. I will keep going and will do my best to provide quality content that will inspire you to make more cocktails and improve your bartending skills. Oh, that's not advertisement, I just really like kombucha. More and more people started asking me if that's not too late to start a YouTube channel in 2021 and what they need to do to succeed. I believe that now is probably the best time to start a YouTube channel. I decided to share my YouTube journey with you and give some advice that helps you to grow on this platform. Let me take one quick sip and explain why specifically YouTube. Well, that's because it's still the most popular video platform that has 2 billion monthly active users. It's the second most used social media behind evil Facebook. Of course, TikTok is great for organic reach. Look, for example, at this guy who gained 8 million followers within 12 months by cutting frozen water. But you can't build relationship with your audience in only 15 seconds. You can't show a lot of personality in such a short period. Instagram is pretty much dead. It's almost like Facebook now. It has the worst recommendation system and organic reach is almost gone. So don't waste your time creating content only for Instagram and focus on the most important platform, YouTube. Of course, it will be here in 10 years and I believe it will become even stronger since it's such a dominant platform, second most popular search after Google, and massive library of all kind of educational and entertaining content. YouTube has the smartest and the most powerful algorithm that keeps improving probably every week. It lets you reach a specific audience super quick and possibly make a big impact on their lives. Let me tell you why. Because of their recent algorithm change, now is the best time to start a YouTube channel. And that recent change, I think, is the best thing what they did for creators. Well, to succeed on YouTube now, you no longer need a lot of subscribers. Subscribers are important for few things. First, monetization. You need to get 1,000 subs to become a YouTube partner and enable ads on your channel. Unlock pretty important features such as the community tab, your merch store, and possibly to get some brand deals. But what's the most important thing in the new algorithm is the watch time. And I totally agree with that. Right now I have 500,000 subscribers, but of course, I don't get 500,000 views on each video. Some of my subscribers from the early days joined to learn technique, some wanted to learn bar magic, so they don't watch all my videos. And YouTube don't recommend them my recent videos unless they turn on notification button. For most YouTubers, 10 to 15% reach is a standard. Videos with a lot of views are being watched from recommended tab, and views from subscribers are only 10 to 20%. To truly succeed on YouTube now, you need to have returning viewers. Let me repeat that. Returning viewers who spend time on your channel. Once your awesome videos are being recommended or somebody found them through the search, people watch them until the very end, and if they like the content, they go to your channel and watch another video and then another video. Then regardless of how many subscribers do you have, YouTube algorithm recognize the channel with quality content and keep promoting it to the wider audience in the recommended tab. Create a good clickable thumbnail, catchy title, and make interesting video that YouTube will push. And even with a small number of subscribers, you can reach a huge audience now. With this YouTube algorithm change, it's definitely not too late to start. You shouldn't have excuses such as I don't have a camera. I'm pretty sure you have this if you're watching this video, right? No time to post once a week? That's okay. At the beginning, post just once a month. Not going to say that it's easy, but when you start uploading videos that you enjoy making, try to set a long-term goal and not to expect your channel to take off immediately. I promise that your channel eventually will reach an audience that you couldn't even dream of. If you have a fear of what people will say about you and think that your content is not good enough, watch this video that was filmed on one of the first iPhones.
Team, this move you're going to be using a lot. I will try to get you so you'll spend a little time doing it. Basically, you will need to hold
And the thing is, if I didn't upload it, I would never get to where I am now. With each upload, you learn how to film yourself, edit videos, work with sound, take better pictures, improve how to talk on camera, and be more confident storyteller. I don't know when you're watching this video, but I can tell you right now that this channel will be big with possibly more than 100,000 subscribers. You would ask me, how do I know that? And the thing is, I know myself. I know that I will not stop uploading because I love sharing value, tell stories, and entertain my subscribers. Do not wait for too long for your first video to be uploaded. Don't need a perfect name, cool artwork, wait for a better camera to arrive, etc. Start your channel tomorrow. No, actually today. Finish watching this video, go create Gmail and write down some ideas for your next episode. If you will have any questions about different platforms, maybe how I grew to 8 million on my TikTok, what kind of videos to make, how long, just leave your questions in the comments. I will do my best to answer, and maybe I will choose a specific topic and make a video about it. I'm going to get ingredients now for my next epic video that come into the main channel. Thank you all of you who been part of my journey. Love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.